earth. So tonight, we will tell you why Donald Trump may be single-handedly responsible for America's crisis and how lack of leadership is making a superpower bite the dust. Our story tonight begins with a press conference. A journalist rose to ask the president a question. He wanted to know about India's ban on medicine exports. India had banned the export of medicine, specifically of hydroxychloroquine, a potential, I want to underline that, a potential cure for coronavirus. The journalist wanted to know how President Trump would deal with this ban. Trump replied with a threat.
And I said, we'd appreciate your allowing our supply to come out. If he doesn't allow it to come out, that would be okay. But of course, there may be retaliation. Why wouldn't there be?
A retaliation, that is what the US president is threatening. First, a botched up response, and now such bluster. America has more than 370,000 cases of the coronavirus, the highest in the world. They're failing miserably at controlling the Wuhan virus, and now Donald Trump is looking for a fall guy. The president is blaming everybody but himself. Trump wants to show that he is in control. Unfortunately for him, not many believe this. Donald Trump believes he can force any country to sell him critical supplies. Well, here are some facts that we must all know. The decision to lift India's partial ban, or lift the ban partially on the export of medicines, came before Trump's so-called threat, not after. India, remember, had requests from 30-odd countries for medicines, so India decided to help those in need. That's what any mature country would do. Let me repeat, India's decision came before the president hinted at retaliation, not after. So we should dismiss Trump's comments as his trademark grandstanding. India has decided that neighborhood comes first. It will give medicines to countries that need it most. As for this medicine, hydroxychloroquine, here's the thing. Trump is betting big on it. It is being called the miracle drug, but it is not a proven cure. Scientists will not vouch for it. There is no proven cure for the Wuhan coronavirus. It's all trial and error right now. Hydroxychloroquine has been given to some patients around the world. They've shown positive signs, but doctors are not widely prescribing it because the evidence is limited. Trump's own advisor on this, America's top doctor and researcher on infectious diseases, Anthony Fauci, has called the evidence, quote-unquote, anecdotal. But the president will have none of it. He wants to be seen as finally doing something. So he's buying 100,000 body bags, and he's insisting on a medicine that may or may not work. And this alone should explain why America is in such a mess.
Thank you. You see, they say proudness not good. Donald Trump want to show the whole world he have power. You are alive. Your people are dying like a chicken. Now you have the power to stop the sickness. You refuse. Maybe I not hear what they talk. Maybe I not go school. I tell you now. I not go school. Wait till they drink, not be alcohol. Na bottle water. So, when we talk about life, people think we are joking. We are not joking. Now, tell me the advice now when you have to give the countries when you are leading. You say you are the overall leader. You are done. What do they call them? Leader, being a president. Overall, what? Then I put the remaining one. Before I go third one, when they go find it come. I don't know road as you see me. My brother, it don't happen again. It don't happen again. No. It don't happen again. Now every day now they happen. You know they stop. And they tell you now say Fulani herdsmen don't they destroy Fulani herdsmen. The way that they destroy Nigeria. You be like, say, now my mom tell me yesterday now say that go on Sunday say that kidnap this one Owoyibo between Owoyibo and Mesa. Abi this a beggar side. I beg in case anybody will get farm where they that side. make them hold on first. I want this opportunity to send message to our governor, Dr. Ifeanyi Okowa. Person no dey inside water, soap dey enter in eye. How can I be in the ocean, in the river, soap dey enter my eye? Okowa, you no fit walk o. Please, I dey vex. This one I dey tell you. You know, you see my eye. I no joke with you. This one I dey talk. If anything happen to my family, e no go better o. Please, not be to send soldiers beat people, not be to send soldiers do all the whole things. No, abeg, now I be strong man don reach. Fulani dey your side. Fulani, whether na Fulani herdsmen abi na wetin dem dey call am, herdsmen abi na herdsman, dem dey, as I dey tell you now, dem dey our village. Okowa, this village when I dey talk, you no go tell me say you no know. Even you go use bicycle go there, na your backyard. This one I dey tell you, na your backyard. And I still send this message go meet our Obi of our, what kuna dey call am? Obi kini? Obi Efezomo. Obi Efezomo. The second, abi the third. Okay, he never die. When he die, the third go enter. Whether they call the third, and I be whether na Sami, I don't know the name again. Prince, don't forget his name. Now that one I go enter. Obi and Okowa, una dey work hand to hand. Before you enter position, you come, Obi bless you. Obi, now kidnappers dey your kingdom where you dey rule. This one no be where you dey rule. Now go. I tell una before, una think say na lie I dey talk. I remember 2015, abi 2014. The time I was in village, where I was a vigilante then. When this thing happened too much, 2014, 15, I forget. When all of us go bush as a vigilante officer, go with them, all those Fulani, don't be today then come. Both this railway flyover between Irenigbe and Owa Irenigbe and Abafo, abi, yeah, I think between Irenigbe and Abafo, something like that. They always stay there. They sit in a lot, they talk. The day when we find and go, we will not see them. Now, that they are not say saboteurs. People when they lead those Fulani, then they, because when it comes, say then they come at the day when we plan, say we won't go. 3 days, good 3 days, they don't come, but they come every day. It don't happen. Now, then they are our village. They still do, they not go. Okowa, if you know waiting good, please, squad, I bet they call them. Send them go. Not be only people when Corona pursue enter house, and I asked una before, person when Corona kill, and person when soldier kill, and person when hungry kill. Tell me difference when they. Not be the same death the person die. I be the person when Corona kill, and the person when hungry kill, they reach road to come back. Please, I beg you in the name of God. I beg you in the name of God. Please. Please. I tell you before, they know they see children, they know they see pikin, they know they see human being when they take, they see the one when they lost. They know they see person finish. Okowa, please. This message is for you. This message is for you alone. Go. You are the leader. If you don't feel send your boys, we have local government chairman, whether they call them, what it be them again, Eboka. Abi? Yeah, Eboka. Tell them, this one na in your own village. Eboka come from a while Zomo. Abi Owo Ibu. Suzame. German say Suzame. Together. Now there, he come. Make it go. At the beg on. You know, one thing about we will be Nigeria. When things they grow small, we know they take am serious. Until I know that when they kidnap Okowa Papa, the time they kidnap him, Then they do all those things before. But when they kidnap a papa, now you go bring soldier come. Why you not bring her come before? Now the soldier when they bring now, I don't know whether now the Okowa has and they guide and the Okadas then they beat. I don't know. I never saw it then they walk. I need the soldiers when you bring for kidnapper go that bush. Soldiers when I know na bush and they stay not the house. Why would not own come they different? Why? As you see me at the first, so I don't want anybody to provoke me as you see me. Because the way you do me now, people say get as they do me. You get as they do me, oh. Get as they do me. So it don't happen. Now so I don't tell you now before. No matter how it be, you know get as it be, they no see how they go do. They must see to am. You know they finish. God help your children. We pray God will help us for this condition where we dey. God will help us. I no get what I want talk, but the things when I get when I dey talk, now I dey tell you now. I know say, I don't tell you before. Ekwu anone egbu nwandu, ahụ ekuni egbu kan ọba. Now the pikin when hear word, now they talk to your man train pikin well. Pikin when go hear word, when go kaput, when go spoil. I don't tell you now. Okowa, I see your matter, please. Go help these women. Then they cry. Go help these women. Then they cry. Please. Forget this one when my baby be like Christmas goat. Not my fault. I see you last time when you talk and say people won't follow what do they call them? Land line to go Europe. You have to send what do they call them? Agent to go the house one by one to tell people make them not come out again. The power when it is send agent one by one not to work. Why you not take and create job? Thank God you walk road fine. I see many road. I see everything. Okay, we not get light oh. Now I hear that Nigeria don't ban generator. Okay, we not get light. We not get water. You started from a car south secretary from a car south. From a car south, you come a car northeast. You are the first local government chairman we have. Okowa. From local government chairman, I wait till you come work again. I don't know. After not me born you. I know you started from local government. Before, I know the time where you be commissioner of water resources, commissioner of agriculture, commissioner of health. Only you. Even the time when you be state secretary, Delta state secretary, you come again, you become what do they call him? Senator. Till now you are governor. I pray God will help you to reach to achieve your aim, but work for us. Because this one where you dey rule now, if you come down now, we don't know the next one when they enter, whether we don't know what you go feel, whether if you say no only pure water company, you provide for your own state. Many men dey jobless. It must be compulsory everybody go work bricklayer. Must be compulsory everybody go farm. Must be compulsory. You know many Okada riders we have for Nigeria, we have for Delta State. You know many Okada people who don't die. How many Okada don't die? Please create job for your boys. Before I come out, I know what I pass through. I dare among people who vote for you. I vote for you, but you dey disappoint. You disappoint me. I know now they give empowerment, fine, but create job. Not everybody sabi control money. Create job. One person they work every month they pay money. I see people when they give for 250,000, 300,000 to begin business. Now, many people now when they give the money now. Now, Corona don't put for house. Not with the money they go to job. The money don't finish you. It don't finish. How much be 250,000? It don't finish. But here, when here and now say you give person 250,000, give person 300,000. Here we here and now go say this thing too much. It's not too much. It's not too much at all. Please, I beg. Now, the one where they kill me pass now be say, before corona come, people they die. Why can't be say anybody when die corona kill them? Why? If person die today na AC kill am, they say na corona. People they die before. I never see people. Malaria they kill people for Nigeria before. People they die. Why it can't be say corona now? As corona come, all those sickness can't go. Many people die. Not corona kill them. People, if person now sick today now, you go. I never see people now before okay, now since corona come now, typhoid can't go, malaria go, fever go, because corona dey. So corona come become ultimate. I beg, una never tell us truth. Make una leave G, wetin they call am G5 abi 5FG, wetin they call am, no know. Make una leave am. Not being the kill now. Not being the kill now. 5G. Not 5G they kill now. Waiting corona, waiting concern 5G and corona. 5G is an internet. It's a network to make things fast. Fine. We know. But not being start to the kill now. If you not finish corona, finish phone go enter. Why not they carry big load, they join big load? You be 911, you be trailer. Nigeria, I dey beg una, make una take am easy o. No be to 10 years go back o. Make una take am easy, Nigeria. Make una take am easy. Everything about Nigeria e dey different. Now Buhari na go carry China come for Nigeria. How many cases of corona we get? People when get corona, when corona they kill, like where chicken they die, they not carry China. But tell me what you want to China do. When this corona come before, I think say corona not go last because it's made in China. Because everybody knows say made in China, Nigeria not the last. Why it come be say corona, China can't last past any other thing? Why? I beg. If you know what you go fit do for us, carry those China go back. You hear? Buhari carry and go back. I know say now when this thing don't finish now, you go tell us say all the whole money when we get, now you take import China come. You import China doctors come. As you import them come, deport them go back. You now stop all the whole flight, but now allow China flight to come. Now China corona begin. Now animal now don't carry the corona. Animal don't carry am. Animal now corona don't enter animal body. What do we want to do? We need help. The one where they pray, make it go pray. The one where they serve juju, make it go serve juju. Anything where you know say you won't do for this corona, I beg. Anybody, I beg. Even we were there, we know they safe. The one where they pay me pass now be say corona they kill. Kidnappers still there inside, they kidnap. They no pity. They don't know that the person where they kidnap, whether they get corona. They don't know. Please, make we help ourselves. Government I dey beg una, na beg I dey beg. I dey cry. As you dey see me, my eyes dey choke. I dey cry. Na cry I dey cry o. Na cry I dey cry as you see me here. I dey cry. Please, I say my little opportunity come tell una. The way me dey feel am, no be only una dey feel am. But our government no dey feel am because they know wetin they wan gain for this corona. They know. They know they won't get. When the corona finish, now then they will start to give us an excuse. Bill. No only Nigeria, you know, say person no use light. You go pay NEPA. You go pay money for light. Nigeria, you see. You no get light. No matter how they cut your rope come out, you go pay money for NEPA. No only Nigeria, see. Only Nigeria. Now they see that thing. God help your children. God help your children. European, everybody there inside house. But people they eat. But Nigeria, you know, for European, you don't see violence like Nigeria now, where everybody now they shout, whoa, 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 go internet. Only Nigeria, they're different. Why? Because of the leaders where we get. Their brain are custard. Buhari might do face, do baby like Christmas goat. I forget saying that then they train goat. Ewausa. True. Buhari resemble one goat. You get one goat to my mama by Christmas. Anytime when I see Buhari, I dey remember that goat. And that goat escape. Goat wey we wan kill for Christmas, we wan kill am. Time don reach. We buy the goat for Christmas, so we don sharp cutlass. I no know say if you dey sell goat dey know community dey go. They're from what do they call am? Abuja, sell am go Kano. From Kano, sell am come Delta. From Delta, carry am come Agbo. From Agbo, you see am. Till today. And the goat wey dem bring, if you see this goat, fine, only the face. You can't get small face like this Baba. Can't get baby like this. You know see the B now. Can't get baby, but the Baba not get baby, but you know now. Now so the goat, the time I want kill am the goat, I not see the goat again. Till today. And wetin pay me na my school fees money they buy the gate, the goat. My school fees. Now me volunteer say I don't want go school again. Make una take and buy goat for Christmas because I like goat. Now anytime when I see this man, this Baba Buhari, I dey remember that goat. I dey cry. Anytime when I see him, I dey remember the goat when I escape. And he always they like to provoke me. And his voice it too, they sound like that goat. I watch Nigeria. Exactly the goat. May not tell am, our country no be animal kingdom. Make you do wetin you know when you go do. Make you do am. At the first, as you dey see me, at the first, no be only me dey talk am. If you see something you not talk am, e dey kill. E dey provoke me. Make una help me tell am. Make una help me tell am. Abeg. Make una help me tell am abeg. Anything when you go fit do for Nigeria, make you do. They don't give am, even the name self when me don't give am alone, don't reach the man to change. I don't know whether the country be under. But all the whole countries when I see, Italy senior the president, Germany senior the president, all the whole countries senior. No only Nigeria president senior their country. How it is the country go good? We need help. Call all the whole Nigeria, all the whole senior leaders. Call them. Put them inside one room. Lock them. Keep them for there. 3 days, 4 days. All those their belly, make it come down. Make them know waiting children, waiting masses they suffer. You get some people where they never eat. But then too, if you open their wardrobe, money full up. Before they unlock this thing now, all the whole thing they don't buy and keep. Many of them get supermarket for inside house. But they don't ask waiting people when make hand for them. When food for them, what they go eat, they don't ask. Only what they know, not their own. Not their own, they know. I know what they talk. Some people say it don't make sense. It don't make sense, but what I see, what they pay me, now I talk. The time when we go make, when we do election for this Buhari our governor. And everything my eye see. Most of the things make me come out for home. I not come out for them because say things because waiting person I see. Till today, nobody ask wetin happen. Till today, nobody ask where these people. If not because of one thing, person for die because of election. How much? 1,000 naira. 1,000 naira. 1,000. You know, reach 50 cents. How much? 1,000 naira. You know, reach. You know, let's say 2 euro. 2 euro 50 cents. 9 person won't die. Put. God, help the country. May the country not be animal kingdom again. Touch the heart of the leaders. Touch our leaders' heart. After this corona make the corona change many things. Kill the bad ones. Corona kill the bad ones, no kill the good ones. I thank you. I thank you. Thank you, God. Touch their heart, God. I pray for Nigeria, my country. To serve Nigeria not be by force, but the condition where you see yourself, you must. Now poor people, now then they carry they go work from. Now poor people they carry they go some inside forest. But the ones where they chop the money, they inside house. They see they use go like this, go like this, go like this. No truth. No truth. Thank you. God bless you for your understanding. Thank you. Yeah, this MC Holy Man for you. MC Holy Man. I'm here. Thank you. Goodbye. I salute Nigeria, my old country, or my new country. God, now you know where you want to. Bye. Thank you, everyone.